12, 12. Your time is it's about happen for you and you can feel it. So many blessings are near. Keep believing, keep praying, and watch your life change for better. Type 12, 12 to receive. God is saying to you today, my child, 11, 11. God says you cried so many times in private. Now I am about to bless you in public. Receive it. Type 11, 11 if you believe. Something great will happen for you this week. The entire universe is working behind the scenes to surprise you in the most beautiful and unexpected ways. Type 555 if you believe, and also subscribe God's Manifesto, and God always bless you. Thank you.